Imagine this. You're locked out of your system, and there's an urgent deadline to meet. You check the knowledge base, but instead of a quick fix, you're stuck searching through long explanations. Precious time slips away. The result? Delayed resolution, lost productivity, and a frustrating user experience. Organizations worldwide face knowledge-based challenges. IDC reports that employees spend approximately 2.5 hours per day searching for information, and Forrester finds 30% of content redundant, leading to inefficiencies that cost companies over $30 billion annually. A well-maintained knowledge base can save organizations millions through improved efficiency and better collaboration. To solve this challenge, we introduce our generative AI-powered solution approach to knowledge article management, leveraging the Now Assist skill kit in ServiceNow. It features two key capabilities: knowledge article enrichment and intelligent categorization. Now Assist's advanced AI-driven capabilities transform a complex knowledge base into an intuitive, easy-to-navigate solutions hub, helping users find the right answers in seconds. Let's see how knowledge article enrichment works. We navigate to the knowledge base from the Application Navigator in ServiceNow and open a password reset article featuring detailed symptoms and multiple resolution steps. Using the Edit with AI button, users can give natural language instructions to simplify and enrich knowledge articles effortlessly. Simply entering, update the knowledge article with minimal steps. And clicking Submit updates the password reset article instantly, showing only the essential resolution steps. Now, even non-technical users can resolve issues faster, boosting enterprise-wide efficiency. Let's explore intelligent categorization with the same password reset knowledge article. Often, multiple articles exist for similar issues, making it hard to find the right one. Now Assist analyzes the knowledge base category, short description, and article content to auto-assign the most relevant tags. Clicking the Assign Tags button instantly populates keywords, improving searchability. See how this article that had no tags is now indexed correctly with auto-generated tags, accelerating issue resolution. There are endless possibilities like these for transforming knowledge base management. With KANINI's robust knowledge management strategies and the AI-powered Now Assist skill kit, organizations can streamline knowledge access, enhance support efficiency, and maximize productivity.